favorite thing in e-maintenance would probably be how customizable it is. Just being able to edit forms and change things around, change the look. I like that probably the most. Well, I kind of built out like the project portions and things like that, adding pictures and picture fields, and same with our inventory. I guess we didn't have any pictures before, so that's another big thing that saves a lot of time when the guys are looking for things, assets and stuff like that. When we first started with eMaint, I worked with the support team to customize the way we bill assets. We can do direct labor charge to assets, and it saves a pile of time just to be able to do that, and you still get the same tracking with it, but you don't have to worry about work orders not getting closed or being left open. eMaint, between all our sites, everything's standardized, I guess, the way that we do it, all your tasks and everything, so I guess it simplifies everything that way. Our inventory system is all based out of one location, and our same as our maintenance team, and then we just dispatch what we need to do.